In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move an email to a folder in Gmail. Organizing your emails efficiently can save you a lot of time and help you keep your inbox tidy. In Gmail, the concept of folders is represented by labels, making it straightforward once you understand the process. Let's start by opening your Gmail account. First, navigate to your inbox where you can see all the emails you've received. Now choose the email you wish to organize. This can be done by simply finding the message in your inbox and clicking on it to open, or if you prefer, you can select it directly from your inbox without opening it by checking the small box next to the sender's name. This is useful if you want to move multiple emails at once. Once you've selected your email, look towards the top of the screen for the Move To icon. It resembles a folder with an arrow on it, typically located among a series of icons that also include archiving, deleting, and marking as read or unread. Clicking on this icon will bring up a list of options. Here, Gmail shows you the labels or folders you've already created. If this is your first time organizing emails, or if you've received this email in a category you haven't yet organized, you might need to create a new label. To do this, scroll down in the list provided after clicking the Move To icon until you see the Create New option. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your new label or folder, a brief but descriptive title that will help you understand what type of emails it contains is always a good idea. Select a label from the list. Since a label essentially acts as a folder or category in Gmail, once you select one, the email will be moved out of your inbox and into that folder. It's important to remember that you'll still be able to access this email by clicking on its corresponding label from the left-hand side menu, ensuring all your important information is neatly tucked away under intuitive categories. And there you have it. Labeling emails in Gmail is a quick way to ensure all your correspondence is organized and easy to find. By getting into the habit of moving emails into folders, your inbox gets less cluttered and you can navigate your emails much more efficiently. Remember, you can always repeat these steps to organize more of your messages in Gmail. Happy sorting, and feel free to explore additional features Gmail offers, such as creating rules that automatically label or sort emails as they come in. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps streamline your email management.